we're away in St David's and we have been using our thermal blinds to help keep the light out in the daytime and at night time. I'll just take them down and then I'll show you how I made them. They are made of 3 different layers. The first layer is this like black waterproof material, and the back layer is just like a white reflective material. So in between is a silver light reflectix material. To make them, I cut the material slightly bigger, all 3 layers, than they needed to be for the windows, and then I used trim picks to glue all 3 layers together. I'd say make them slightly bigger because then you can trim them down to the correct size and all the edges match up perfectly. Otherwise you're kind of like trying to put them down on top of each other and the wind blows it and it just works out awful. This is double bias edging that I just used to tidy it all around. Some of the windows are attached with these little pouches that I made out of just the black material, and they've just got magnets in them to stick to the metal of the bus. But we couldn't do that for all of the windows because they're not all magnetic. So these ones, like for the doors and things like that, I used these little suction cups, and basically it's a little screw on the top. You just take it off, poked a hole through, and then put the bolt through, and then you just tighten up the back. And they seem to be working really well as well. So when we have a shower, we pop this one, or if it's just dark, and just pop them over. Like so. I'll show you where we keep them. So one goes up in here, and then I usually put this side up in here. It takes about 5 minutes to put them up or take them down, and the more you do it, the quicker it gets. If you have a lot of windows, I would say label them, but we haven't needed to because I can't remember which ones are which. If you've got any questions, let me know because I might have forgotten something. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.